So the male, which is the colorful one, is called the peacock. Then the female with grayish feathers, so that's called peahen. So their baby is called peachick. So usually during their mating season, the peacock will open their tail. So when they open their tail, that means they were attracting mating partners or they were intimidating their rivals. So their diet, they love to eat grains, bread, and fruits as well, and also small insects. So they are also an omnivorous type of bird. And they are a polygamous type of bird. So polygamous, that means they can have multiple partners. So in the wild, they can live 40 years, and in captivity, they can live up to 45 years. Wanna open their tail, friends? Ready, buddy? Are you ready? Come on, good bird. Don't be shy, friends. So we have a total of 4 species of peafowls around the world. So that's the Indian blue peafowls, the violet peafowls, the green peafowls, and the white peafowls. So what we have here in Cebu Safari is only the 2 species, the white and the Indian blue peafowls. Ready, friends? Open your tail, what do you want? Hey, are you in argument? Alright, there you go. He's ready. Alright, good bird. Okay, now don't be shy. I want you to face the audience, buddy. Come on. Turn around. Turn around, friends. Good bird. Good bird. Come on, buddy. Alright, good job. Ladies and gentlemen. It's a prank. It's a prank. Okay, face the audience. Come on. Turn around. Okay, princess, can you make it face the audience? Don't be shy, buddy.